Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to Sileo in another episode. Y'all remember they built up a whole new supermarket next to my condo where they were finishing up a McDonald's. Well, yesterday I saw this. They are finally open from 6 to midnight. So I had to check this out. So far, that's the biggest McDonald that I've seen in Pattaya. I've seen this commercial long ago and I even bought it. And the reason that I'm saying that is because I've never have time to fix nothing because I'm always out. I mean, you've seen the vlog until now. Because in the middle of last night, the AC leaked. So I took an appointment with an electrician, and while I was waiting for him, I went out to buy some tools. Straight up to Big C. While I was there, I went straight up to business, so I wasn't able to show y'all their novelty. But I'm guessing that y'all never heard of Muscat Peach Schweppes, Pineapple Fanta, Pepsi and Cocoa Crunch Strawberry, and they even got Lay's French fries. And I found my regular home-cooked junk food at Lotus Go Fresh. So the meal of today, curry fries and nugget sandwich. The thing about bread is that usually they put chemical inside to make it last longer, but here they put this bag over it and it do the same trick. And when you got time to wait for someone to come fix your stuff, you're gonna use the same time to fix other things. Thailand make me like Oreo and dessert. And I do it even at home. So the AC has been fixed. They say a clog in the drain pipe. I hope you'll appreciate this content because I did not appreciate waking myself up in the middle of the night for this. Thank you for watching entirely. Shout out to all of my subscribers for your likes, your comments, and your shares. Have a good one. Peace. I'm out.